Rohit Sharma wearing, okay, look closely on the jersey that Rohit Sharma is wearing. It's a special jersey that has been designed as India champions. The chefs have curated a special cake and menu. They've cut the cake, not eaten it. Perhaps that's a part of the disciplined diet. The champions cake there. But remember, because there are so many fans gathering, and they have to maintain a certain protocol, security. Rohit Sharma did not disappoint, at least cut the cake. Abhishek, so I come to you. You're at ITC Maurya. The visuals of Rohit Sharma, the captain of the team, the glorious moment of having cut the cake. And are they out already?
Yes, Pooja, as you can see, the team bus is getting ready and the players are also getting ready to board the bus. You can see some players out there and they're getting ready to get inside the bus. They are waving hands to the fans and the media. And you see now the escort is also getting ready to escort them to the PM's residence. Now, you see too much fans are here and now the gates are opening and the guards are telling us to move away. So this is what's happening here. The movement, you can see the team bus is ready with a poster of Rahul Dravid on the front windscreen and the cricketers are also ready to board the bus. Over to you, Pooja.
The first bus that is leaving with the players, families of course are likely to stay back at the hotel. Harshit, so, it's going to be an interesting itinerary. And I think of those visuals of Prime Minister Modi meeting them in November 2023. It was a dejected team. Prime Minister Modi met them. Today they're going to be high-five and selfies.
They're going to be high-five, they're going to be selfies. There's going to be a lot of talk about what that moment for the Indian team was. And you're looking forward to all of that. I'm pretty sure, the cricket fan inside the Prime Minister would have also waited for this moment as well, just as much as the average Indian cricket fan would have waited for this decade. And there you see the excitement is only hitting the crescendo now. You see, of course, the bigger party to happen in Mumbai, but the Indian players walking out now. There was that little cake cutting ceremony that took place as well. The Indian captain clearly was in a hurry in terms of getting across to the team bus, and he in fact is the first one to arrive to the team bus as well. As we can see, the Indian players are now dressed up in the blue jersey, and it's a special jersey, as Pooja you were rightly pointing out earlier as well, which bears the word champion right on the front of it. So these players have waited a long time, Pooja, to be able to
and Rohit Sharma didn't just lead the team, he also led with the Bhangra. The latest visuals that have come in. Alright, at the hotel, meanwhile, as the team members one by one are leaving, the chefs ensured that they request briefly the team members to stop. Jasprit Bumrah decided to rush out. Remember, there are too many people. You may not be able to see them in the cameras, but they are requesting at least the team players.
Yeah, there's a passage you see on this red letter day in Indian cricket.
Yes.
There's a red carpet that's been rolled out for the players on through which you see them walking out of the ITC Maurya corridor. We saw Jasprit Bumrah being the latest player to walk out. So the two Mumbai Indians players have already reached the team bus. Captain Rohit Sharma of the Indian team is there. Jasprit Bumrah was the next player to follow him. Yuzvendra Chahal now the next one. You see Akshar Patel also walking out of the corridor. There was Ravindra Jadeja.
Ravindra Jadeja is also flaunting a hat, I see, in his trademark style.
And there's the head coach. Clearly, there you see.
How sweet. A gentleman as always, not disappointing the chefs. Head coach Rahul Dravid cuts the cake, acknowledges the effort of the chefs like Rohit Sharma.
And a thumbs up as well.
A thumbs up as well. How sweet. I think that's brilliant of him because the chefs have been waiting there for a while.
That
speaks.
That's the quality and that's the character of a Rahul Dravid. You see, he did acknowledge that there was an effort put in there, and that's the gentleman, the gentleman in Rahul Dravid that has been talked about in
the presence of mind. Because I understand other players may be in a rush to leave. There's an itinerary to follow for Prime Minister.
To have that presence of mind, to acknowledge that there was effort put into, to have that cake for the Indian team. So he acknowledges the effort of the fan. Let's in fact cut across to Abhishek Anand, who's right outside the ITC Moria, seeing all those visuals of the players, because stopping by for selfies, getting into the team bus. Talk us through what you're seeing right now, Abhishek.
I saw some of the cricketers, including Akshar Patel, boarding the bus. The bus is ready. The men in blue are boarding them one by one, and you can see the escorts are also ready to take them to the 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. So this is the ITC Moria, where they are staying for a brief period of time, and after the meeting with the Prime Minister, they will be again visiting the hotel for a brief period of time, and then moving out for their flight to Mumbai. So right now you can see some of again there is a movement, and you see there are so many fans at the gate of ITC Moria that it's very hard to actually go forward and see what's happening on the near the bus. So,
and Abhishek, for the viewer, if you can clarify, the families are not accompanying the players as of now, as it appears. It's do you think it's only the team members? We see the visuals of them getting into the bus.
Well, Pooja, I doubt the family members, because you see there's so many.
Yes, I think Abhishek also is. Abhishek, do you see family members with you there?
Family member boarding the bus. What I have seen is the only the Indian cricket team, the men in blue. They are the ones who are boarding the bus.
Right, because my sense, Pooja, of this particular situation is that visiting the Prime Minister again requires a lot of documentation, paperwork. There's security, which is the paramount thing when you're meeting the Prime Minister, and this is more of an official visit to the Prime Minister. It's only the Indian contingent that's going over there. So it wasn't quite expected that the family members also be there. However, the family members do continue to be at the ITC Moria, where the players will come back very shortly. It is a 1-hour visit that we're expecting of the Indian players at 7 LKM. So their family members, I believe, we already know that Ashdeep's family was travelling. There was Rohit Sharma's family that is travelling as well. We know Jasprit Bumrah's family is travelling with him. So, and Virat Kohli's relatives are also here. His elder brother Vikas is also in the same hotel. So they're expected to stay back. And the Indian team, now that they're leaving and we see them leave from ITC Moria, they're expected to be back in about an hour's time. So these are the visuals of the players
heading out. But I have to appreciate Rahul Dravid taking out the effort, even those few seconds to cut the cake, acknowledge, gives a thumbs up, and walks, because I think it's absolutely appreciated as a gesture. But these are the visuals. All these players are now heading into the bus. They will then, barely a few minutes, just for you, if you do not understand Delhi precisely, if you're not a resident here, ITC Moria and 7 LKM, barely about a kilometer or two of a distance, not much.
Not much.
And plus, there would be, of course, a certain barricading that will be put forth. It's the same area, and they will be reaching the Prime Minister's office in just a short while. In the next 10 minutes, I believe they should be there. Abhishek Anand is there. Abhishek, so the bus is out of the hotel as we speak.
Okay, loud cheers, in fact, Pooja, that there is Virat Kohli. Yes, there is loud cheers there in the ITC Moria right now, and there is for the local boy Virat Kohli. There you see loud cheers for Virat Kohli. Everyone applauding Virat, the local boy. He's a world champion now, and there you see him also making the effort to cut the cake, and he's going to be the next one to walk out and get into the team bus. The loudest cheers there being reserved for the former India captain, the local boy Virat Kohli, and there you see a rousing welcome for him as well as he now makes his way to the team bus.
Is he speaking? Let's try and listen.
Go with them. Yeah, he can go. Rak. I come protect behind them, please escort him. That's my son.
I did not speak, but you can also see fans and media persons who managed to gather. But the Delhi boy, in short, back in his hometown, takes a moment, like Rahul Dravid, to cut the cake, acknowledge the effort. I don't think he tasted it, Harshit. given his routine and no sugar, but possibly that, but at least even the effort, I think it's sweet. Abhishek Anand is right there at the gate. Abhishek, so is the bus still inside? Is it one bus, more than one, that have been arranged for the players? Who all did you see getting inside?
There you see Hardik Pandya. So much of talk about Hardik Pandya. He too, much like Virat Kohli and Rahul Dravid, cutting the cake. He's got his shades on, and there you see him walking out of the team hotel as well. So you've seen Rahul Dravid, you see Virat Kohli, you see Hardik Pandya. You know, each of these players who are the toast of the nation right now. And I reckon that you know, these are all entities now, the world champions for the rest of their lives now. It is going to be difficult being in India. I'll tell you why. Because I don't quite think they'll be able to move around in this country without there being a surrounding around them. They are likely to be surrounded wherever that they go.
Arshdeep also taking that effort. Yes, and remember that, can we also point out here, Harshit, the trademark style statements by Ravindra Jadeja with the hat, shades of Hardik Pandya.
It's interesting that you point that, and
Yes.
really what it tells me is there's still a bit of a flavor of the Caribbean. There you see the hat that you see that you saw Ravindra Jadeja wear, again takes you back to the lovely beaches of Barbados and Antigua. Then Hardik Pandya as well, having the shades on as well. So clearly there is a bit of Caribbean taste to the celebration as well. And rightly so, it's the Indian team that scripted history in the Caribbean. So a bit of Caribbean flavor to this Indian team celebration before things become completely desi. We've already seen desi touches here when you saw the Bhangra breakout as well. And once the party shifts to Bombay, that's where you expect more, you know, that
but you can
will be more
also see the heavy security. There's of course men in uniform, but security personnel in the civil as well. This is to ensure that there's full-on security protocol. We may be enjoying the celebration, remember, but you have to ensure safety of these players, safety of their family members. So there would be right now, ITC Moria would be like a fortress. There would be very clear barricading. Not anyone can enter into the hotel premises. India today has managed to bring you this exclusive visual. We've managed with our jugaad to be inside right now. That's a special visual you're bringing to us. So Rohit Sharma, Rahul Dravid, Virat Kohli, Arshdeep Singh, Hardik Pandya have
I could see Shivam Dubey as well. Shivam Dubey has also made it, yeah.
And they're all, they've entered into the bus in just the next few minutes. About 4 to 5 kilometers is the distance at maximum from ITC Moria to 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, where Prime Minister Modi's residence and office is.